lang naman yung dagdag na wala dito sa banner. Flores.
Vitamin provider, yung tatlo. Procel, Ascorbic, saka yun. Active Gold. Parang is just natin yung campaign dyan.
Tubig mo yan? Hindi. Kanina pa nandiyan yan. Baka hapon pa nga yan eh.
Ayan yung natira namin. Sayin ko rin yung flower. Nakakakit.
Parang nahihirapan ako maniwala talaga niya.
Galingan mo ah.
Galot
Sa mag-play by play. Ako eh. Ano lang din ako dito. Bago lang din ako. And partner Mix, we are back on our fourth game for today. It is UP against LPU. And before we proceed, before we continue, we would like to thank once again our major sponsors, our vitamin provider, Procel Pharma Incorporated, Ascorbic Acid, Cellbone CSR, Activo Gold Vitamins and Minerals, official basketball Spalding, Spalding TF 1000 Legacy, Spalding made for the game, anytime, anywhere. BLF Wood Veneers, making products beyond compare, and to Flores family for the continuous support.
First possession goes to LPU. This is the 19 and under division, UP versus LPU. First attempt, miss for LPU as UP goes to Udodo. Posting up, loses the ball.
And that's a first turnover there by UP.
And another turnover from LPU naman.
Counter turnover.
Galotera to Pastrana to Udodo. Maagawan na
Steal.
naman
Yep.
si Udodo. Panerio with a steal. Machenzo gives it to 15 for 3. No rebound. Udodo.
No second opportunity there for UP.
Team ball with a counter steal. Steal after steal. Itong tema nating laro.
Mulligan.
Nakakabuta sa ring. Puro steal lang.
Mulligan.
Traveling.
But it's a traveling violation called by the ref to Mulligan.
Galatera drives, kicks it out. Pastrana open for 3. No. There's a rebound. Foul. LPU will commit a foul. UP retains possession. 14 seconds to shoot. Domingo drives, lefty jumper is in.
Good basket there by Domingo. Nice screen by number 12.
Goes to Mulligan, 4-3. Hindi makapagbayad.
Na-denied yung kanilang pick and roll doon na plano kanina. Kasi na nila si Udodo. Ang laki.
Yung una mong makikita dito sa UP, si Udodo, sobrang laki. Diba? Kahit ako hindi ako makawala. This is a 1900 division.
Tama.
Udodo looking to be man among boys in this division. Mulligan drives.
And it's
Steps through.
Mulligan.
Huli.
Wala. But a follow-up by Dahaw. Ang ganda nung ginawang abang ni Dahaw doon. And now he's shooting for one.
Rather, the one who makes the 3-point play was Dahaw. Number 31 for LPU. Unang puntos ng LPU. Mintes yung kanyang bonus.
Almost a turnover. At yun na nga, out of bounds. Magbabalik ang bola sa LPU. And again, bad luck for this game.
Panerio drives, kicks it out. Number 15 for 3. No, smallest man with the big rebound. Panerio,
Exactly.
hustling play. Mulligan for 3. No.
What a surprise for Panerio. At talagang kitang-kita naman yung kanyang kaliitan doon, pero sa kanya napupunta yung bola.
Yeah. Small but terrible itong si Panerio.
Tama.
Jasper Marquez, second team foul on LPU. Substitution.
Basket ang unang tira ni Galotera. Well, yesterday ay puti. Ang alam kong suot nila kahapon, ano? Ngayon, naka-black naman pala sila na uniform.
UP
Yung UP,
wearing their
yeah.
black jersey, while gray ang suot ng LPU. Mulligan side steps, bounce po. Couldn't make it.
Nice pass sana yun para kay Mulligan, pero it is still a nice pass. However, hindi lang pumasok yung tira ngayon ng kanyang kakampi.
5 minutes in the first quarter.
Exactly,
4-2 pa lang.
partner. Tapos na ang unang kalahating 5 minuto ng quarter na ito. Pero ang score natin, kung makikita mo, 4-2 pa lamang.
Medyo mabagal ang talo ng opensa.
Slow start for both team here, partner.
Calotera, jumper, no, rebound, number 1. But ball will be going out of bounds, babalik sa LPU yung bola.
And that's out of bounds, partner. At ika-4 na turnover yan ang UP in this ball game.
Panerio goes to the Dahaw screen, spins, finds Mulligan from the corner, he drives, finds Dahaw, huli ni Udodo.
It was denied by Udodo. Sabi ni Udodo, no, not this time. At ito nga,
On an island, going with the foot, will be fouled by number 24 of LPU.
Foul on number 34, Gus Foley.
That's Foley.
it's a blocking foul for Poli.
Udodo got it up.
They're trying to stop and shut down Udodo dun, pero I think they're successful that time.
Foley, tao the key, finds Udodo, maling napasahan.
Still by Udodo.
Galotera to number 1 to Udodo.
There we
Carving
go.
space.
Ayan.
The big man.
Sabi niya ngayon, hindi niya na ako mapipigilan. Dalawa-dalawa ang bumabantay sa kanya ron.
Actually, titignan ko yung mga players ng LPU. Medyo parang ayoko yung mapunta sa posisyon nila. Kailangan ko bandayan si Dikachi Udodo. At 6'9", big. Diba?
And again, imagine 7 minutes have passed at 6-2 pa lamang yung ating score. Udodo missing the bonus shot.
Turno gives to Sayaman. Balik kay Turno. 10 to shoot for LPU. Puni, no! And UP couldn't convert on the fast break attack.
Medyo napahinto siya ron. Akala niya makakarinig siya ng pito from the referee, pero no whistle from the referee.
As Domingo
3 out of 2.
steps right through, misses the layup.
Footwork by Domingo, pero wala yung kanyang tira.
Substitution.
UP goes to Udodo. 2 minutes left in the first quarter. Rivero, no. Turno, siya naman susubok sa 3. Lumihis.
And it's less than 2 minutes, partner. Ganun pa rin yung ating puntos. And here comes Udodo.
Udodo, wala pa rin. Nahihirapan both of these teams to score.
Exactly. Turnover for LPU. At ito, libreng-libre. There we go.
Alejandro Sa.
And 1:20 left in the first quarter. LPU will be calling a timeout. 8-2 is our score. UP on the lead. nakatulog ka naman kanina kapon.
Pagkatapos dito, alas 9 na kapon. May natin pa akong birthday. Nakauwi ako, launa ng madaling araw. Nakatulog naman ako 2:30.
Gising nga
Ito,
mga
gising ako ng 5. Ito. Siguro 2 hours sleep. Kung hindi nga ako nakatulog, siguro 2 araw na ako gising. Grabe. Minsan kasi na-excite ako ganito. Yung madaling araw na hindi ako nakatulog. Kagaya nung nakaraan ako nakatulog. And let's go back to the ball game. That is after the timeout called,
Dangan to Julio.
denied by Udodo.
UP looking for Ododo for almost all of their plays. Talagang kinakapitalize nila yung big mismatch sa ilalim.
That is correct. Talagang pag nadikit ka kay Udodo, it is either mapapalaban yung katawan mo talaga or you'll get a foul. Choose between the two.
Pwede po bang nan?
Hindi mo naman kasi pwedeng pabayaan si Udodo kung hindi.
Easy to.
Exactly. Kaya itong si Polly talagang yung kanina nakakakuha ng mga fouls sa ilalim with Ododo.
Dag-um. 100
There you go.
Ododo. Pangatlo na niya yan. Di ba
Exactly.
raw?
That is the third block by Ododo.
Melchor to 22. Short jumper. Ayaw. 16 is there for the putback.
Christian Villa.
Rivero drives. Gives to Ododo for
That's
the
an
easy layup.
Easy two for Ododo.
11 to 4. Last 27 seconds in the first quarter. Melchor to Julio. Gives it back to Melchor. Swings it. Rivero makakaano.
Almost a steal.
LPU for the drive.
Pero yun, natuluyan na.
Rivero. All alone. Gives.
Nice pass, pero short.
Pero short. Sayaman. To Julio for 3. And we will be ending the first quarter with an 11 to 4 score. UP up on top.
Second quarter possession, UP.
Second quarter up to start. We would like to thank our sponsors, Procel Pharma Inc., Ascorbic Acid, Selvan CSR, VLF Wood Veneers, Spalding, the official game ball, made for the game. Procel Pharma Inc., Multivitamins Plus Minerals, Active Gold, and Flores Family.
That is correct, partner.
As
And for those who
LPU,
are watching us live sa ating Facebook page, live stream, ay pagpamanhin po ninyo kung medyo naglalag yung ating live coverage. But then again, we are making sure that this game is being recorded and we will actually post it in our YouTube channel.
Udodo adds another 2 on that last play. Julio ayaw pa rin.
Parang ayaw na nilang sumalaksak, partner, ano? Because it's not just Ododo ang nakabantay sa ilalim, kundi tatlo pa. Or dalawa pa, nakasama
Udodo
niya.
muscles it through. Mintes.
At talagang napapansin ko rin partner kapag si Udodo naman ay na-double team sa ilalim, ay talagang hirap din siyang makipasok yung bola. That's the third time that he missed that shot. Pero pag hindi naman nila ito binantayan, there will be an easy 2 points for UP.
Ayun yun muna yung kailangan sandalan ng LPU. Kailangan muna nilang i-double or even i-triple team tong si Udodo.
That
Pero
is
so
correct.
far, wala pa masyadong katulong sa UP side itong si Udodo.
Tama, partner. At ito nga, another turnover for LPU. That's the 5th turnover in this game of LPU.
And Leon Panero has his first personal foul on LPU.
Panerio is here for LPU. He will be guarding Shah. UP goes to Udodo underneath. Finds Shah. Drives. Gives it to number 37. To Shah. 4-3. No. Rebound. LPU. That's Panerio, the smallest man, once again gets the rebound. Number 11, Melchor connects to the alley.
Oh, what a shot by Melchor. And a good pass from Panerio. Tama, galing kay Panerio yung assist.
I love Melchor's action defending Udodo. Hindi siya natatakot kay Udodo.
They're trying to shut down Udodo. Look at
Pero
that.
Mintes,
Look at Melchor. Mukhang siya ngayon ang nakatoka dito kay Udodo.
yan ang gusto mo, di ba, sa isang player? Yung
Exactly.
Hindi umaatras kahit gaano kalaki.
Tama. It is
Yung kalaban.
actually David against Goliath here. What is happening here? Kagaya kanina, itong naalala ko si Panerio, di ba? Sa pag-rebound niya, kitang-kita yung talagang height niya against the opponent. Pero kanya na pupunta yung
Team ball, no for the 3. Siya gives to Ramirez. Recovers the ball, Ramirez finds Rivero, dipsy-do.
look at Timbol. Talagang papunta pa lang si Udodo, hinarangan niya na agad.
Panerio goes to 3.
That's a beautiful defense there by Timbol anyway.
Villa for the 3, no go. 15-6 is our score. 6:33. Rivero double dribble. LPU goes to number 3, to Dahao, fakes, drives, Mintes, Dahao, second serving, hounded by Udodo, inilabas na lang, Panerio, drives, mapuputukan ng 24 shot clock violation.
Was that a shot clock violation, partner?
Yes. Nahihirapan din kasi sila eh. Ayaw nilang i-pull yung trigger pag nakikita nila nasa harap si Udodo.
Hindi na ako naglalaro ng basketball, partner. Pero noon, I play basketball. Pero kung ako rin naman yung nasa kalagayan nila, nakita ko si Udodo sa ilalim, may magdadalawang isip talaga ako. It is either, again, masasaktan ako or else I will get a foul.
Masasaktan ka na, makaka-highlight pa si Udodo.
That's correct. Look at Udodo and Dahao.
Offensive foul, number 9, Rivera, that's his first team foul on LPU.
Paiba-iba yung talagang nakatoka kay Udodo. At I think they're just trying to check who's the best. Parang nabantay kay Udodo.
Di yung ano eh. Panerio with a 3? No. Yun yung maganda sa LPU Bigs eh. Talagang ano eh, matututo ka talaga kakabantay kay Udodo in this
Exactly.
game. Rivero, Mintes yung one-hander. LPU. Nagmamadali. Panerio. Finds Dao, Mintes. And Rivero for the fast break attack. Lays up, huli
Denied.
ng LPU.
Kaso, out of bounds, sayang. Pero
Sobrang
ang ganda
costly
ng
ng turnover nun.
pagkaka-reject doon ni number 20, ano?
Substitution.
It's a bad pass though.
Ang ganda na ng highlight mo.
Kaya
Kaso
nga.
bumawi ka na isang turnover. Medyo mapapakamot ulo din yung mga coaching staff nun.
Hindi naman kasi necessary na
Batted down.
ipasa dahil wala naman, ipasa ng mataas. Rather kasi wala naman bantay doon eh. It's just mulligan saka siya. So, pwede naman yung maayos na pasa, di ba partner? Na outside pa tuloy. Tumama sa court eh, di ba partner? Oo.
Pero speaking of tumama, ito si Udodo nakakuha ng tama tapos basket
Tama,
pa.
exactly.
Pupunta ngayon siya sa free throw
Yun
line
yung
for
sinasabi
another
ko sa'yo.
bonus free throw.
Pag si Dodo ang umatake, it's either maglalagay ka ng plaster, yung ano, ano ba tawag doon, yung sa pag masakit yung katawan mo, or a foul. That's what you get. But again, it's a physical game, basketball game, part of the game.
Panerio. With 10 seconds to operate, finds Mulligan, left wing 3, wala pa rin nasushoot sa 13 itong LPU. Mulligan drives a little closer, kicks it out, Panerio, jumper, it's good!
Ay, Panario. And I can see a lot of attempts coming from Mulligan. Simula pa rin nung kaninang first quarter, pero parang wala pa yata siyang puntos na naipapasok.
Foul number 13, Ian Panera. That's his second fourth.
And again, partner, same as yung ating first quarter, 7 minutes had passed, pero tingnan mo naman ang score natin, 17-8.
Udodo carving space, jumper, wala. Battling for the rebound, secured by Panerio once again. 15 to Panerio. One-hander, wala. Ball retain to LPU.
Timeout, LPU. That is our last timeout for the first half.
We'll be heading to an LPU timeout. We will be right back.
Back to the ball.
2:34 remaining in the second quarter. 17 points for UP, led by the foreign student athlete Dikachi Udodo versus the 8 points of LPU. You're still watching UBL 19 and under division.
Exactly, partner.
Udodo with a steal. Shah
Almost.
the leather. Rivero pulls up from 3. Mintes.
No good.
Found
Look at
Udodo.
the
Pull
board.
back. Gets
Look
it.
at the
With
board.
the foul.
Coming from Udodo.
Foul number 31. Ingram now, that's his first.
And again, they're trying to shut Udodo down, pero talagang iba ang puwersa na ipinapakita dito ni Udodo. Being the, I believe, the tallest player in this game.
Mulligan.
There
Finally,
you
it's a
go.
3-pointer.
There you go. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Kanina pa siya nag-attempt ng basket. At this time, hindi na siya nabigo.
Ganyan talaga pag hinahanap yung tira mo eh. Sooner or later, babalik
Tama.
yan. Ayro si Udodo. Parang hindi niya na hinahanap yung tira niya eh. Dumadating na lang eh. As
Ay, nakahanap niya kung sino yung makakapaul sa kanya.
Yun lang hinahanap niya. As 15 for 3. No. Rebound, Udodo.
Going back to Mulligan, that is the first 3-point shot for LPU and the first 3 points by Mulligan. And here we go, a minute and 30 seconds.
Pushing the tempo. Mulligan, susubok muli. Gets it!
Yun ang sinasabi ko na yun pala, hindi pala ako nagsabi, ikaw pala nagsabi, partner, na hinahanap mo yung tira mo, di ba, partner? Look at
Dadating din
that.
yun. Pero,
That's a back-to-back 3 points. Back-to-back 3 points for Mulligan as well as Ododo. Back-to-back points din for Ododo. At parehas na nakakuha ng fouls itong si Ododo.
yung tres ni Mulligan na
Kasi
kanina.
yung hinahanap ni Ododo kung sino makaka-foul sa kanya eh.
Tama. Yung tres ni Mulligan na kanina pa yung nahanap.
Oo,
Sinasagot lang
nakailang na.
inuman ni Ododo.
Tama.
Paano mo talaga babantayan tong si Ododo? You need a team effort for LPU to make it happen. Aspanerio swings it. Number 3 drives.
Oh, sayang yun.
Agawan pa nga ni Pastrana. Ododo secures it.
Sayang yung pasa na yun ha. Wala sana si Ododo doon because he's coming from yung kakasabay niya.
As Domingo.
Ang lalim nun.
Yes.
At same ball tayo.
45 seconds in the second quarter.
And now the University of the Philippines.
UP will be calling a timeout. We will be right back. Di pa gumagor yan. Nakita mo yung talon, di pa Hindi yata eh. May napanood ako. Ah.
Back to the ball.
UP.
And going back to the ball
seconds to
game.
shoot. Finds Ododo underneath. Kicks it out.
Mukhang nalito ng konti si Ododo doon ha.
Spin move.
Dahil nga na double team na naman siya.
Rivero. Quick
Block
three.
by
With Mulligan. Rivero ulit. Gets it.
And that's a basket before the buzzer.
Panerio. Finds Machenzo. LPU 11 seconds. Maagawan.
For LP.
And Pastrana. Galotera rather. Will make layup.
We have less than 10 seconds.
8 seconds.
Pastrana. To Rivero. 6 seconds. Shoot.
There you go.
Pero it's
That's an additional point for Team UP.
and to end the first half. 30-14 is our score. UP ahead.
And on the quarterfinal score, University of the Philippines 30, Lyceum 14.
Order na kasi ako. Kaya pa. Pabagal lang naman. Pabagal to eh. Puro ododo lang. Yung kanina kasi takbuhan eh, ma-action. Dito sakto lang.
Matagal na po ba kayo dito nag-commentator? Naabutan nyo sila Francis, Chusongko, tsaka si Gab? Hindi. Bago lang din sila eh. Mga nakalala ko lang din. Mga apat.
Kasi bago lang din ako.
And we will be starting the third quarter. But before we start, we would like to thank our sponsors. Procel Pharma Inc., Ascorbic Acid, Selvan CSR, VLF Wood Veneers, Spalding, the official game ball made for the game. Procel Multivitamins Plus Minerals, Activo Gold, and the Flores family. Panerio, First crack at the basket in third quarter. LPU, Panerio drives. Kicks it out. Dagum, wild shot. UP gains possession.
And there you have it. Domingo. Nice block there. However, nandoon talaga si Ododo for a follow-up.
Ododo.
Laking bagay ni Ododo.
Literal talaga.
Exactly. At ang laking tao. Ni Ododo.
Makakaagaw.
Sa laban na ito.
Si Galotera. Gets the
UP is dominating the game.
stretches the lead to 20.
Exactly.
8 and the third quarter. Panerio to number 3. Gives back to Panerio.
5
3
seconds to
seconds
shoot.
operate. Panerio pulls up. No go. Rebound. Udodo.
Ang bilis ng kamay din ni Ododo, ano? Basta nasa ilalim talagang ayan, humingi ng pasa. Ododo.
Carving space. Playmaking for his teammates. A great defense
At
coming
may
from
foul.
Dagum.
Oo, partner.
Matatawagan nga lang siya ng foul.
Leroy Dagum, that's his first team foul on the team. Shot clock 14 seconds.
At nagpakawala ng tres. Oo, wala.
Turno to 11 for 3. No go. Rebound. Will be going to LPU. Last touch dun si Domingo.
This is really going to be a great exercise, partner, for this UP.
Julio, 3. No.
And again, partner, can you imagine, nasa third quarter na tayo pero ang score ay 34-14 pa lamang. Again, this is a slow scoring game between these two. Lalo na ang LPU. I cannot really imagine na 14 pa lang yung kanila nagagawa, partner.
Ang hirap din kasi talaga kung hindi ka makasalaksak or create
Tama.
inside points oftenly. At yun yung hinahatid na depensa ni Ododo underneath. Nakita natin yung second quarter, ang daming mga shots na hindi tinitira ng LPU kasi nasa harap nila si Ododo.
Puro sa labas yung tira nila.
As Domingo recovers the ball. Pero makakatapak siya dun sa linya. Bola babalik
Sayang.
sa LPU.
Naging turnover patuloy, hindi pa niya hinayaan na out of bounds. Total na sundot naman ng LPU, partner, ano? At ayan, naging turnover patuloy ito para sa UP. At again, chance for LPU. And that's
Dagum scores a 3. Nice throw from outside. Makes the third 3-pointer of LPU in this game.
again for UP.
At LPU nagmamadali. Dagum nakatira na yan. Gets no. Mintes. Galotera. Huli. Great hustle coming from Dagum in this third quarter.
Ang galing din ang pagkakasave niya doon ng bola. Talagang yung decision making niya ron, very quick
Turno.
decision
Quick
making.
3. Mintes.
Ay maganda. Naipasa pa niya sa kanya kakampi. And a nice block there by, was it Dagum? Dagum yun no?
Yung nakablock
Tama,
niya.
oo. At yun nga, sa pagkakatres kanina, ay bumaba yung kalamangan nila pero kalahati pa rin ang lamang dito.
Galotera finds the Dodo. Gets the basket and the foul.
Foul number 27. Leroy Dagum, that's his second foul on LPU.
Ododo, wala.
Ruiz secures the rebound.
Kanina pa niya nami-miss yung mga bonus shot niya, no? Ni Ododo.
Well, ito yun, dito sa UBL, dito nyo talaga mapapractice yung free throw shooting niya.
Tama.
Kaya malalagay talaga siya a lot of times dito sa free throw line.
At talagang
Kailangan niya mag-improve.
tama partner. At talagang yung LPU naman ay hirap talagang makasalaksak. Most of their shots are actually coming from the outside.
36-17, 4:32 in the third quarter. Dago, he already hit 1-3 earlier. Gives it back.
10 seconds to shoot. Look at that.
LPU finds a way.
Look at that. Again, galing na naman sa labas yung tira na yun. Buti na lang they managed to get that bucket.
Galatera being hounded by Dagom. Grabe yung energy nitong si Dagom.
At ayun, na offensive foul.
Offensive foul.
After na kayo ng love.
Offensive foul number 8.
Thank you po, Coach. Eto, Brian, feeling ko to si Dagom kung tumangkad-tangkad lang ito, talagang hindi niya aatrasan din itong si Ododo
Tama,
ngayong
tama.
game. Grabe, palaban na palaban. Itong number 27 ng LPU as Villa misses the shot.
At talagang hindi talaga sila makapasok sa loob. Lalo na't nandun si Ododo. Well, nice defense there.
Ododo with another easy layup.
Nagkamali guys sila ng dinoble team partner. Si Ododo nasa ilalim at libreng-libre.
Dagom, another 3. Mintes.
No good. Same ball tayo.
Goes to LPU once again. Mulligan checks back in. He hit 2 3-pointers in the first
Almost a turnover.
half. Mulligan.
And here comes
Shoot.
Mulligan. Ay,
Halfway in.
Mulligan.
Sayang lang.
Oo. Kala ko talagang nakuha na ni Mulligan yung well, malapit na partner. Maybe soon.
UP swinging the ball. Great ball movement. Finds Ododo underneath.
2-1. Ododo against number 34, Paulie, and number 10. And again, he gets a foul.
Just falling back to serve.
Pang-easy-easy lang si Ododo, partner. Okay pa, sumisenyas pa ng okay sa kanyang teammates or sa coach niya, din sa bench nila. Parang sinasabi ni Ododo na kayang-kaya ko to.
Eh ano yun yung ganyang mga slight bumps, yung mga sa poste, yung mga binabangga sa kanya, yan yung mga matututunan niya para lumakas lalo.
Tama, partner.
At syempre yung free throws na nag-imintis niya yung
Habang
ikalawa.
sumasakit ang katawan mo, lalo kang lumalakas.
Tama, di ba? Sabi nga nila, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Ganun din sa LPU. Habang binabantayin si Ododo, lalo silang tumatapang. Villa.
Hanggang pag nasa loob sila, madaling-madali sila maka-score dahil kung hindi, yung mga kamay ni Ododo makikita nila agad sa harapan nila eh.
Pero may isang bagay akong inaantay kay Ododo.
Ano yan, partner?
Parang kaya naman niya isalpak sa rin yung mga easy layups kanina, ayaw niya makipakita yun. Ayan. Medyo sumay niya
Mo na uhaw siya, ayun na. Pero
Is it a free lay?
sabi ko sa'yo.
Ayun na!
Naramdaman ko na si Ododo. And that's a showtime there for Ododo. He's actually making a show. So mesenyas lang siya ng inumin sa bench niya eh. Nauuhaw siya eh. Biglang nagulat siya, may pass break sa kanya. At ayun na nga.
Ganun pala yun yung pinatang sa inyo sa dakdak eh. Iinom ako ng tubig, tapos
Ay, ganda mo, uminom siya ng tubig as of the moment. Nauuhaw na eh. Nilabas pala siya muna.
This is
Showtime.
Actually, this is the first time na inilabas ni Ododo ngayong laro.
Tama.
Pero mahirap na tira, Mintes. Kimball!
Oh,
Adjust
wala.
in mid-air,
Good
misses.
defense there by number 38,
Mhm.
Pastrana.
Rivera drives, bumps to the brick wall.
At wala tayong whistle na narinig doon, ano? There's no foul.
Pag walang whistle, go hard ka lang. Continue the play. Ruiz to Villa. Up and under move. He goes to work.
And look at that by there. Habang wala si Ododo, kita mo, nakakaroon sila ng pagkakataon maka-score sa loob.
Oh, pero the lead in this third quarter still up 20, 41 to 21. Lamang ang UP. 21 seconds left sa ating third.
This is actually the chance, partner. Habang wala si Ododo, i-take advantage nila, di ba, partner? Para mabawasan man lang itong 20-point lead ng UP. And they need a better plan pagbalik ni Ododo.
Tama. Itong actually si Machenzo tsaka si Julio kanina, nakikita natin kung gaano sila gumalaw sa ilang.
Oo.
Pag wala si Udol, nakikita
Tama.
natin yung offensive nila, prowess nila. Sadyang mahirap lang talaga ipakita yung talento mo pag dumidepensa ang ganung kalaki. Mulligan. Gives to number 3. Mulligan swings to 5, 4-3. No! Villa can recover the rebound. Pastrana will be fouled.
There's no
2.8.
second opportunity there for LPU.
2.8 remaining in the third.
Ang dami nila sa loob, partner, pero walang nagba-box out. Isa pa yon.
Yun yung kailangan nilang ayusin.
Kita mo rin, partner, ang lalaki ng mga LPU na nandun, pero si Pastrana ang nakakuha ng bola sa rebound na yon. Walang nag-box out sa kanila.
Pastrana gets 2 free throws, 2.8 left in the third frame. Mulligan, makakagaw pa. Galotera misses. And we will end the third quarter with the UP having a 23-point lead, 44 to 21.
Thinking ba doon sa driver ko ng ambulance? Yung driver ko ng ambulance, pakilipat lang daw ko. Kasi nakatawag park. Maraming salamat po.
At the start of the fourth quarter, UP ahead 23. But we would like to take this time to thank our sponsors, Procel Pharma Inc., Ascorbic Acid, Selvan CSR, VLF Wood Veneers, Spalding, the official game ball, made for the game. Procel Pharma Inc., multivitamins plus minerals, Active Gold, and the Flores family. Siya, behind the back, evading defenders, gives it to Ramirez.
And here we go,
8
partner.
seconds to shoot for UP.
We are starting
LPU
partner, this
makakagaw.
fourth quart without Udod. So, can see here. Pero ang laki pa rin ang hahabulin nila, no? It's a 23-point lead.
And ito yung pagkakataon ng LPU para ibaba yung lamang.
Tama.
Diba? Habang wala si Udodo, subukan yung sumalaksak, subukan yung gumawa ng post plays na hindi nyo nagagawa kanina nung nandun
Tama,
si Udodo.
partner.
As Villa on the break, lays it up, will go to the line for 2.
Ang number 13,
It is a coast-to-coast
Alejandro Snap. That is number
move by Villa. Sayang, hindi lang pumasok, ano? Pero yun nga yung sinasabi ko ngayon, nakakasalaksak na sila, di ba? Without Ododo or else, puro na naman outside yung tira nila. From the outside. At parehas, pang Mintis yung tira ni Villa. That's a
second
0
serving,
out
wala
of
pa
2.
rin.
A steal there. By Galotera.
Galotera, no, rebound sa kanya. And gets the second serving.
He gets his own miss. And this time, gets that basket.
25-point lead for UP. Villa goes to 17. Mintes, Machenzo, rebound, wala. Villa gets the putback. Parang naninibago ako ng
Exactly.
na may offensive rebounds itong LPU.
That is correct, partner.
Aspas Pastrana.
Well, they're now using their height advantage as of this moment.
Look at that drive
Mulligan.
coming from Mulligan.
Exactly.
Strong drive. Yung mga hindi niya nagagawa kanina.
This is the chance for them to parang sumalaksak na ng sumalaksak hanggat kaya.
Kasi pag ibinalik ng coach ng UP itong si Udodo, life will be harder for LPU.
Shot clock 7 seconds.
7 seconds to shoot, 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. At 23 pa lamang dito ng UP.
Siya. 2 seconds to work with. Does he know? Hindi. Mapuputukan sila ng violation. Ng shot clock violation. Julio. To Machenzo. To Banerio for 3. Wild shot. As 37. Goes to Pastrana. Drives to Shah. To Domingo. Drives. Lefty layup with the foul.
Ang ganda rin nun. Ang ginawa nilang yun. Pagpapaikot ng bola. And Domingo with a beautiful attack and a foul.
Donell Julio got his first team foul on LPU.
Domingo misses the bonus free throw. Kalahati ang score natin, 50-25 in favor of UP. Villa underneath, Mintes, second serving is good. Domingo umatake, early move, side step.
What a move
This is the
by
fourth.
Domingo.
Left
Block.
huli ng
Yeah,
LPU.
by number 37,
Banerio
31.
running ahead of the puck. No. Rebound goes to UP.
No more opportunity for LPU. Sayang talaga yung mga
Shot, spins, lost to its tracks.
block by Turno. Madugo yung pinagdaanan doon ni number 30 ni siya. May kalaban sa harap, may kalaban sa likod at talagang hindi siya binigyan ng pagkakataon doon. That's a very good defense
push
though.
shot, no go. Julio drives, goes to Machenzo. Underneath,
There
gets
you
the
go.
foul and the basket.
Foul in the basket.
Foul on number 23.
Nahirapan na rin itong LPU.
Second team foul on the University of the Philippines.
Kahit wala si Udodo, mukhang hirap na rin sila na makadiskarte sa loob.
Pero mabuti na lang yung mga big guys nila is hindi na uubusan ng energy. Parang
Tama.
lagi ginanahan nung nawala si Udodo.
Pero nga partner, same as the other game, They're just changing or exchanging baskets. Ganun pa rin ang lamang partner, hindi mo mababa sa 20.
They need to make a big run here if they really wanted to make a great comeback on this game. 4:33, lamang ng 20 ang UP, flips it up. Calotera misses the second chance. Panerio goes
Ang lakas, sayang.
turnover.
That's a turnover for LPU. That is actually the 10th turnover of LPU in this game. They need a good offense and a better defense.
Rivero, 14 seconds. Calotera to Rivero from the left elbow.
Less than
Great
4 minutes.
hustle from the LPU.
Dalawa.
Will retain
Two-player
LPU.
was down for Team LPU. Akala ko dahil yung kay Ododo, nakita ko ulit si Ododo sa loob eh. At ayan, may timeout partner. Magbabalik tayo. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League.
Shot clock 5 seconds.
And we're back, partner Miggy, after that timeout.
3 seconds to work with.
Shot
UP
clock.
needs to
Wala.
fire, misses. Dagum is back on the floor. Gives to Panerio. Dagum from the left wing. Gives it back. Jumper. In and out. Rebound UP.
Here comes UP.
Pastrana running. Gets the foul and the basket.
Ang husay naman ang ginawa ni Pastrana na yun. That's how fearless Pastrana is. Dalawa-dalawa yung nasa harapan niya pero talagang lusob, kung lusob si Pastrana.
Hindi na natatakot eh. Kanina pa yan si Pastrana. Nung wala si Udodo, siya
Nakita
yung
mo?
naging player na
Nakita mo yun?
rebound.
Muntik nang mangudngod si si Panerio dahil kinuha ni Ododo yung bola from nowhere.
Oh no.
Look at Dagum. Talagang nilalabas niyang pilit si Ododo. At eto na naman tayo. Tingnan natin kung makakasalaksak ulit dito yung LPU. Ododo is there.
Dago mawawala yung bola. Retains to LPU. 52 to 30 is our score. 2:40 in the fourth quarter.
They need to act as fast as they can.
Timeout. LPU.
At may timeout tayo, partner. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League. we're back after that timeout. And that's a 3-point shot by Panerio.
Panerio, that's his first
Sabi ko,
3-point
kailangan
of the
nila ng
game.
quick shot dito dahil time is running out, partner. At ngayon naman, partner, mukhang si Matienzo naman ang nakatoka kay Ododo. Tapos na si Polly, tapos na si... sino pa yung isa kanina, partner?
Si Dahaw.
Si Dahaw. Ngayon naman, it's Matienzo's turn.
Ako ang naantay ko si Dag ang bumantay kay Ododo kahit mismatch.
Sino?
Si Dag kasi masyadong palaban yung
Tama,
player.
kanina talaga
Walang
sinatras
atasan,
na
Oo.
kanina eh.
Kahit mismatch As Pastrana goes to Rivero. 16 to work. To 11 on the fourth quarter. We're approaching the last 2 minutes
Nice
of the game.
steal there.
Panerio.
At ito, nice fake by Panerio and a nice pass.
With the foul.
For Jesper Martino. Foul number 9. Ang Rivera, that's a second. 13 foul.
Medyo na late si Ododo doon sa paghabol pero that's a good offense there by Matienzo from Panerio.
Mintis lang yung free throw. Makakaaga pa ba ang LPU? Looks like hindi.
Nasa ulunan niya yung bola pero nagulat siya, may kamay doon from Ododo.
Arvin Bruno. That's a second.
And last 2 minutes na tayo. And this reminder, of course, is brought to us by Procel Pharma Incorporated, Ascorbic Acid, Cellbone CSR, Activo Gold Vitamins and Minerals, BLF Food Veneers, making products beyond compare, and Spalding made for the game, anytime, anywhere.
Pastrana. Free throws are good. And this, well, actually this looks like to be UP already winning this game with still 154 left in the game.
Substitution.
Mukhang obra naman itong si Matienzo kay Ododo eh. Pero, and this time, nilabas na muna si Ododo.
It's like they already know that this is their game for their taking. Rivera with the rebound. LPU kahit na they're losing 19 points, yung effort naman na pinakita ng mga players from LPU is really commendable. The big guys really learn a lot while bumping bodies and
That is correct.
giving their best against Dikachi Udodo.
That is correct, partner. And chance once again for LPU. Panerio. That's too strong. And we only have a minute and 20 seconds.
Gets a banking three. That's number 55. Panerio Pinoy step gets the layup. In the last 60 seconds of this game, UP bench looking to show their skills as well.
And this is going to be, I believe, a clear victory
Yes.
for the UP partner. It is impossible for the 20-point lead na mahabol pa within 51 seconds, partner. I can see a clear victory here.
At uunahan ko na rin yung ating mga game officials at mukhang ang kutob ko si Dikachi Udodo naman ang best player dito.
Oo, partner. At
He was dominating
nag-showtime
the game.
kanina, partner. Talagang out of bounds, miscommunication there. And another turnover for LPU. That is the 11th turnover by LPU.
Rivero.
Last 30 seconds in this ball game with 21 lead by
Makagawa
UP.
pa nga. Number 3.
At ayan, UP na-steal pa ni Sayaman.
Alis eh, yung effort ng LPU.
And another turnover there for UP.
Eh,
And I think this is it. Yes.
UP has the possession, last 9.6. You're gonna assume that they're just gonna waste this clock. It's
I
9
believe so.
seconds. It's Pastrana.
And there you have it. Yeah, they're just wasting the time. And looks
Rivero
like
hits a 3.
hey, pumasok pa yung 3 points na yun, Rivero. And that is actually the fourth 3-ball of UP. And this is it, the end of the fourth quarter, 61-39. Our final score, and congratulations to UP.
Lyceum Pirates. Lyceum of the Philippines president. Our best player of this game is Whiskey number 8, Itachi Urbano.
Siya pala. Magugulat ako kung iba.
And yes, partner, we're not surprised that Ododo is the best player of this game. And again, we will see you on our next game. Congratulations to UP.
Nakakuha ng sabon si Ododo. Parang ngayon lang nakakita ng best player ng araw ah. Parang kanina wala na.
Meron? Si ano ba?
May picture ba?
Oo.
Problema natin. Kukunin ko na lang. Meron ka ba yan? Kukuha.
Hanap ko ng benda dito. Meron yan. Ano yun eh?
Yung 75 Soliano yan. Soliano. Meron na yun dyan.
Gambela. Soliano, number 75.